Your HVAC system keeps your home comfortable year-round. It's important to keep it in good working order. A well-maintained HVAC system can last for many years. Regular maintenance can also save you money on energy bills. A broken HVAC system can make your home uncomfortable. In extreme temperatures, it can even be dangerous. Understanding some basic troubleshooting can help you keep your system running smoothly. This guide will provide simple tips to resolve common HVAC issues. Remember, safety comes first. Always turn off the power to your unit before any inspection or cleaning. Several issues can plague your HVAC system. Understanding the cause is the first step to finding a solution. Here are some common problems. Lack of cooling. Your system may not be cooling your home effectively. This could be due to a dirty air filter, low refrigerant levels, or a malfunctioning compressor. Strange noises. Unusual sounds from your unit are a warning sign. These noises might indicate a loose belt, a worn-out motor bearing, or a problem with the blower fan. Poor airflow. Weak airflow from your vents can be frustrating. This problem could be a clogged air filter, blocked vents, or a ductwork issue. Identifying the root of the problem is essential. Once you know the cause, you can take steps to fix it. Here are some basic troubleshooting tips for common HVAC problems. Lack of cooling. First, check your air filter and replace it if it's dirty. If that doesn't solve the problem, your system may be low on refrigerant. This requires a professional technician. Strange noises. If you hear strange noises, turn off your system immediately. Check for any loose belts or debris around the unit. If you can't identify the problem, call a professional for help. Poor airflow. Make sure your air vents are open and unobstructed. Check your air filter and replace it if it's dirty. If these steps don't improve airflow, you may have a ductwork issue that requires professional attention. These simple troubleshooting tips can help you resolve minor HVAC problems. However, always remember that safety comes first. While DIY troubleshooting can be helpful, there are times when calling a professional is necessary. If you encounter any of the following, contact a qualified HVAC technician. You've tried troubleshooting, but the problem persists. You suspect a refrigerant leak or other complex issue, your system is making unusual or loud noises, you notice a burning smell coming from your unit. Professional technicians have the expertise and tools to diagnose and repair complex HVAC problems safely. They can also advise you on regular maintenance to prevent future issues. Remember, your HVAC system is a complex piece of equipment. While this guide offers basic troubleshooting, don't hesitate to seek professional help when needed.